This tooth really hurts.
Your appointment is this morning. Let's visit the dentist right away. Grandpa has a toothache this morning. Luckily, we already have a dental appointment. Let's go and see what the dentist says.
Don't worry. The dentist will help you feel better.
I hope so. My tooth has been hurting since this morning.
Good morning. We have an appointment with Dr. Brown. Good morning. Welcome. Please come in.
Good morning, Grandpa. What seems to be the problem today?
My tooth started hurting while I was brushing my teeth this morning.
Thank you for explaining. Now let's take a quick look at your teeth.
Okay, doctor. I'm ready. It hurts right here whenever I bite or drink something cold.
I understand. Let's examine your tooth and find the cause. Very good. Please keep your mouth open. I can see the problem now. It's just a small cavity. Don't worry, we can fix it easily. Here is the problem. You have a small cavity in this tooth. The good news is it's easy to fix.
Oh, I see. I'm glad it's not serious. Thank you, doctor.
This small cavity can be fixed today. I'll clean the tooth first, then I'll fill it.
The treatment will be quick and comfortable. That sounds good. Thank you, doctor.
You're doing great, Grandpa. The cavity is almost fixed. Just a few more seconds and we'll be finished. All done, Grandpa. Your tooth is repaired and everything looks great. You can smile with confidence again.
Thank you, doctor. I already feel much better. I really appreciate your help.
Your treatment is complete. To keep your teeth healthy, brush twice a day for every evening and visit your dentist every 6 months. A healthy smile starts with good daily habits.
My tooth feels great now. I'm so happy we came today.
I'm happy too. Remember to brush twice a day and keep smiling.
I'm really happy. My tooth feels much better now. Thanks for coming with me today.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're feeling better. Let's keep our teeth healthy every day.
Today I learned that taking care of our teeth is very important. Thank you for watching.
Brush twice a day. Forget your regular dental checkup. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.